In a sun-drenched meadow, Noah and Isabella frolic with unbridled joy, their laughter echoing in the gentle breeze. The clear sky witnesses their playful chase as butterflies dance around them in the meadow. Carefree and full of youthful vigor, they lose themselves in the simple pleasure of the moment. Their laughter mingles with the rustling grass, creating a symphony of youthful delight. Bathed in the warm glow of the afternoon sun, a sprawling meadow unfolds. Noah, a boy of 10, wanders curiously near the ancient oak, its branches reaching out like gnarled fingers. His eyes widen, fixated on something extraordinary in the distance. A shimmering ladder woven from pure light ascends into the heavens. Isabella, his friend, stands beside him, equally awestruck by the ethereal sight. Isabella whispers, her voice filled with disbelief. "What is that?" Noah and Isabella start their ascent on the light ladder, their adventure just beginning. The world below diminishes as they climb higher, leaving behind the familiar. They pass through layers of fluffy clouds, a dreamlike journey unfolding. The air turns cooler and crisper, invigorating their spirits. Higher and higher they climb, towards the unknown. The ladder rises toward the Cloud Kingdom's breathtaking entrance, a path to a realm of dreams. Winged lions sculpted from swirling clouds stand guard, their forms a mesmerizing blend of power and ethereal grace. The Cloud Kingdom unfolds, a mesmerizing spectacle of floating islands and wind-powered castles. The kingdom is a testament to ethereal beauty and architectural wonder. Noah and Isabella arrive in the Cloud Kingdom, their faces mirroring pure awe. Sky whales glide through the airy expanse, their shadows dancing over the fantastical buildings. The Cloud People extend warm greetings, their smiles as radiant as the sun itself. Noah and Isabella wander deeper, their wonder growing with each step into this ethereal realm. The Cloud Kingdom embraces its new visitors, promising adventure and untold wonders. Noah and Isabella arrive in the radiant Cloud Kingdom throne room, anticipation shimmering in their eyes. Before them stands the Queen of Clouds, her presence a beacon of warmth and kindness. The Queen of Clouds greets them with open arms. "Welcome, travelers," she continues, her voice resonating with gentle authority. "I am the Queen of Clouds." The Queen shares the secret of the realm. Our kingdom thrives because of the heart of the sky crystal. The Cloud Kingdom's throne room, once serene, erupts into chaos as piercing alarms shatter the peace. The very walls of the throne room begin to tremble as panic takes hold. Queen rises from her throne, her face a mask of fury and disbelief. "The heart of the sky has been stolen!" Queen's voice echoes through the throne room. Courtiers scream. Some fall to their knees. The throne room is filled with terror and dismay. The Cloud Kingdom trembles as its foundations give way, a spectacle of impending doom unfolds. Sky whales thrash violently, their distress echoing through the kingdom as panic swells among the clouds. Noah and Isabella emerge from the chaos, their faces set with resolve against the kingdom's plight. Noah's voice cuts through the turmoil. "We have to do something." Isabella steps forward, her voice ringing with determination. "We can help. We know this kingdom." Together, Noah and Isabella stand ready, their knowledge the kingdom's last beacon of hope. Sunlight bathes the Cloud Kingdom throne room as Queen Celestia stands before Noah and Isabella. Queen Celestia declares, "Noah, Isabella, the gremlins have stolen a vital crystal. You must find them and retrieve it." She gestures towards a detailed map laid out on a cloud-like table. Queen Celestia continues, "This map will guide you," she announces a gift for their journey. "I have also provided a sky whale for your journey." Noah and Isabella exchange a look, ready to embark on their quest. Noah and Isabella soar on the back of a gentle sky whale, cutting through the tranquil sky. The serene sky contrasts with the approaching tempest as they venture undeterred. Lightning rips through the sky, briefly illuminating the entrance to the dark cloud forest. Isabella trembles, her face reflecting a mix of fear and grim determination. Noah's voice cuts through the storm. "Be brave, Isabella, we can do this." In the heart of the stormy cloud forest, Noah and Isabella push forward, the heavy mist swallowing their forms. Bioluminescent fungi cast an eerie glow, revealing the forest's strange inhabitants darting through the shadows. A fallen log looms large, halting their progress. With a burst of strength, Noah assists Isabella over the barrier, their determination unwavering against the storm's fury. The floating island, adorned with cloud runes, greets them in the sky. With intense focus, Isabella begins to decipher the ancient cloud runes. A breakthrough dawns as Isabella understands the cryptic patterns. Isabella speaks, revealing the clue about the gremlin's hideout. At the precipice of Lightning Canyon, Noah and Isabella face the daunting chasm. The air vibrates with raw power as lightning rips through the sky, painting the canyon walls with fleeting light. Worried glances pass between them, unspoken fears echoing in the electric atmosphere. Isabella returns Noah's gaze, her eyes reflecting a shared concern as they assess the perilous divide. They remain at the canyon's edge, their determination firm despite the visible danger. Together, they steel themselves, knowing the crossing demands courage and a shared resolve. Noah squints, his gaze lost in the vastness of Lightning Canyon, a plan sparking in his eyes. Beside him, Isabella's fingers dance across a holographic display, her brow furrowed in intense concentration. A glimmer of inspiration crosses Noah's face as he declares, "I think I've got it, a sky whale. We can use it to create a temporary bridge." Isabella considers the audacity of the idea, responding, "A bridge of clouds? Risky but theoretically possible." Her fingers resume their dance across the display as she affirms, "I'll run the calculations to ensure stability." The canyon stretches out before them, a canvas upon which their daring plan will either soar or fall. Noah and Isabella arrive at the storm vortex, the entrance to the gremlin's chaotic lair. The storm vortex swirls with menacing energy, a dangerous gateway to the unknown. Following the clues, they stand before the swirling storm, ready to face whatever lies within. The air crackles with energy as the vortex spins, a visual testament to the gremlin's chaotic domain. The entrance promises danger and uncertainty as Noah and Isabella prepare to step into the storm. Noah and Isabella stand at the edge of the storm vortex, a gateway to the unknown. With courage in their hearts, Noah and Isabella step into the storm, immediately assaulted by the tempestuous winds. The vortex engulfs them, a chaotic ballet of swirling air and raw energy twisting around them. Before them, tunnels of swirling air stretch into infinity, a disorienting maze challenging their every step. The very environment twists and morphs, testing the limits of their resolve. Their figures become silhouettes against the storm, their determination unwavering. Trapped in a storm vortex, they are met with a series of riddles and puzzles left by mischievous gremlins. The air buzzes with magical energy as Isabella steps forward, ready to tackle the puzzles. Isabella's sharp mind becomes their greatest weapon against the gremlins' challenges. With determination in her eyes, Isabella prepares to solve the riddles that stand in their path. Noah and Isabella arrive at the gremlin hideout, a realm of chaotic wonder filled with stolen treasures. The hideout is filled with bizarre stolen treasures. Noah cautiously steps into the hideout, eyes scanning the surroundings. Isabella follows closely behind Noah, her expression a mix of curiosity and apprehension. A cascade of stolen trinkets and treasures fills the hideout, creating a whimsical yet unsettling scene. Noah and Isabella stand amidst the chaos, ready to face whatever awaits them. In the dimly lit gremlin hideout, Noah and Isabella find themselves encircled by the mischievous creatures. The gremlins' eyes glitter with anticipation as they guard the heart of the sky crystal. The heart of the sky crystal pulses with a soft, ethereal glow, casting an otherworldly light on the scene. Noah and Isabella exchange a look, the gravity of their situation sinking in. The gremlins inch closer, their intent unclear, as the crystal continues to emit its mesmerizing glow. A tense standoff ensues, the fate of Noah and Isabella hanging in the balance within the gremlin hideout. The gremlin hideout reeks of mildew, a labyrinth of snaking cables and bizarre contraptions. Amidst the chaos, the gremlin leader stands before Noah and Isabella, radiating cunning. With a multi-jointed hand, he gestures towards a complex array of gears and levers. "We stole the crystal out of boredom, not malice," the gremlin leader declares. He proposes a puzzle duel instead of a battle, a challenge of wits in the heart of the lair. A tense stillness fills the hideout as Noah and Isabella consider the gremlin leader's proposition. The puzzle duel arena shimmers with holographic projections, geometric shapes materialize from thin air. Noah and Isabella stand ready, facing a horde of gremlins. The arena pulses with interactive elements, challenging the duelists. High-tech challenge fills the air as Noah and Isabella prepare for the puzzle duel. The puzzle duel arena pulsates with tension as Noah, beads of sweat glistening on his brow, abandons all restraint. With fierce determination, Noah slams puzzle pieces together, unleashing a flurry of shifting blocks. Isabella, eyes focused with laser-like intensity, inputs a rapid sequence of calculations on her holographic keypad. Around Isabella, numbers dance and algorithms swirl, a dazzling display of pure intellect. In the puzzle duel arena, Noah and Isabella begin their synchronized assault on the puzzles, their teamwork a marvel. Their combined expertise allows them to solve the puzzles with increasing speed, outpacing the gremlins' frantic efforts. The gremlins, once smug and confident, now show clear signs of frustration as Noah and Isabella gain the upper hand. The arena pulses with the energy of the duel as Noah and Isabella's synergy intensifies. The gremlins' frustration escalates, their initial arrogance replaced by a growing sense of desperation. The gremlins stir restlessly, their anxiety intensifying as Noah and Isabella inch closer to solving the final puzzle. Their impatience grows, their agitation palpable as defeat looms over their losing streak. The arena buzzes with the rising tension as Noah and Isabella approach the brink of victory. Each tick of the clock amplifies their fear, as the gremlins foresee the inescapable end of their reign. The air crackles with anticipation, the gremlins' impending doom hanging heavy in the balance. In the puzzle duel arena, Noah and Isabella lock eyes, their focus sharpening as they confront the intricate puzzle before them. A whirlwind of motion ensues as their hands dance across the puzzle, each move precise and deliberate. The intensity builds as they collaborate, their movements synchronizing in a seamless ballet of problem-solving. With a final, unified push, the last piece slides into place, a testament to their combined skill and determination. A radiant glow emanates from the completed puzzle, illuminating their faces with the light of victory. In the dim, dust-filled hideout, sunlight barely penetrates, illuminating the gremlins' unusual remorse. The gremlins, a disheveled bunch, huddle together, their typical spark replaced with rare contrition. In unison, the gremlins utter, "We are sorry for the mischief we have caused." Noah's understanding tone fills the hideout. "We understand. You were just bored." Isabella offers forgiveness. "Yes, we accept your apology." In the gremlin hideout, Noah and Isabella stand firm, radiating a sense of calm amid the surrounding chaos. Noah speaks with earnest conviction. "We want to help you find new ways to have fun, ways that don't cause trouble for others." Isabella follows, her voice gentle yet persuasive. "There are so many things you can do. Think of games or art or even helping each other out." The gremlins, initially wary, now watch with a glimmer of curiosity sparking in their eyes, their mischievous energy momentarily subdued. Noah and Isabella appear suddenly, the storm vortex fading behind them. They clutch the heart of the sky crystal, the storm swirling above them. As they hold the crystal aloft, the turbulent storm clouds begin to dissipate. The harsh winds gradually subside, a sense of calm returning. Noah and Isabella stand together, the sky clearing as they secure their victory. Noah and Isabella arrive at the Cloud Kingdom, hope radiating from their eyes. They raise the crystal high, a beacon of light against the fading sky. The kingdom trembles, then steadies as the crystal's energy washes over it. Stability returns to the Cloud Kingdom. Sunlight floods the Cloud Kingdom throne room, casting a celestial glow upon its ethereal beauty. The Queen of Clouds, a vision of regal splendor, stands ready to receive the heart of the sky crystal. She delicately accepts the heart of the sky crystal. The crystal rests in her hands, its power resonating with her touch. As the Queen's fingers encircle the heart of the sky, a wave of shimmering light emanates outward, enveloping the kingdom. The kingdom is bathed in light, its former glory restored in a breathtaking transformation. The Cloud Kingdom throne room glows with an otherworldly light, where serenity reigns supreme. Queen smiles warmly at Noah and Isabella, her regal presence filling the room with peace. With a graceful gesture, Queen summons shimmering wings of pure mist behind Noah. Shimmering wings of pure mist materialize behind Isabella, pulsating with soft inner light. Noah gazes at his new wings, marveling at the gift of flight granted to him. The throne room fills with anticipation as Noah and Isabella prepare to take flight, their wings shimmering. In the radiant cloud kingdom, Noah and Isabella prepare to test their new wings, anticipation sparkling in their eyes. With a leap of faith, they launch themselves into the sky, their wings catching the wind. Joy unfurls across their faces as they ascend, mastering the art of flight amidst the clouds. They weave through the ethereal landscape, the cloud kingdom unfolding beneath them in breathtaking panoramas. Laughter echoes through the skies as they challenge each other to aerial acrobatics, their excitement palpable. Bathed in golden sunlight, Noah and Isabella revel in their newfound freedom, soaring higher into the boundless expanse of the cloud kingdom. Ascending into the cloud kingdom, they are greeted by a breathtaking panorama of floating islands and whimsical cloud people. The cloud people wave back, their ethereal forms glowing softly in the diffused sunlight. Majestic sky whales drift lazily, their enormous bodies casting shadows across the cloudscape. The travelers respond, their hands waving eagerly at the sight of the gentle giants. The cloud kingdom welcomes them, a symphony of ethereal beauty and gentle motion. Noah and Isabella stand at the cloud kingdom's edge, sunlight stretching shadows behind them. They turn towards the Queen of Clouds, her radiant form shimmering in the ethereal light. A shared glance of deep gratitude passes between Noah and Isabella. Together, they offer their heartfelt thanks for the unforgettable journey. High above, Noah and Isabella stand poised at the summit of the light ladder, their wings shimmering brilliantly under the sun. With a shared glance, they begin their descent, each step a deliberate act of trust. Their wings catch the light, creating a dazzling spectacle as they move downwards. The ladder becomes a pathway of light, guiding them towards the world below. Together, they descend, their radiant wings promising hope and renewal to the world below. As the sun dips below the horizon, Noah and Isabella return to the tranquil meadow, the sky ablaze with fiery hues. The golden light bathes the meadow as Noah surveys the landscape, a sense of peace settling over him. Isabella watches the sunset, her face illuminated by the warm glow reflecting the day's journey. The vivid colors intensify, painting the sky with strokes of orange, pink, and gold. A breathtaking panorama unfolds. In the fading light, Noah and Isabella stand together, their figures silhouetted against the stunning backdrop of the sunset. As twilight descends, they cast one last glance towards the ladder, its presence fading into the painted sky. A shared smile ignites between them, a silent ode to the extraordinary adventure they have just shared. The meadow basks in the warm glow of sunset, their silhouettes framed against the horizon. In the quiet of the meadow, their smiles speak volumes of the memories created and the bonds strengthened. Bathed in the warm hues of the setting sun, Noah and Isabella begin their walk home, their figures outlined against the glowing sky. The shared adventure has visibly changed them, their bond now stronger. The golden light casts long shadows, emphasizing their figures as they move through the meadow. Each step they take is a testament to their strengthened connection, forged through trials and triumphs. The meadow whispers around them, carrying the promise of evenings spent together, their silhouettes fading into the twilight. Under the cloak of night, Noah and Isabella arrive at Noah's house, the air thick with unspoken memories. The moonlight weaves long shadows, turning the ordinary into the magical. Noah breaks the comfortable silence. "Good night, Isabella. Tonight was amazing." Isabella responds, her voice soft. "Good night, Noah. I can't wait for our next adventure." As they part, the night holds a promise of more stories yet to unfold. In the quiet of his bedroom, Noah lies awake, his gaze lost in the shadows of the ceiling. His mind wanders to the ethereal cloud kingdom, visions of floating islands dancing behind his eyes. He recalls the wise cloud people, their gentle guidance echoing in his thoughts. A soft smile graces Noah's face, a silent acknowledgement of the wonders he has witnessed. Gratitude washes over him as he cherishes his bond with Isabella and the precious lessons learned. In the stillness of the night, Noah drifts into a peaceful slumber, his heart full of warmth and appreciation. In the quiet of her bedroom, Isabella lies still, bathed in soft moonlight that dances across her face. Her mind wanders back through the day's extraordinary events, each moment replayed with vivid clarity. She reflects on the profound strength found in unity, a lesson etched deeply into her heart. The importance of understanding dawns upon her, extending even to the most impish and enigmatic of creatures. A gentle smile graces Isabella's lips as she drifts off to sleep, the night embracing her with its silent promise of dreams. As dawn breaks, the meadow awakens beneath a sky ablaze with gold and rose. Noah and Isabella stand together, their faces turned towards the heavens. Their eyes reflect the wonder of the awakening world, lost in dreams of the Cloud Kingdom. Imagination takes flight as they envision the Cloud Kingdom amidst the endless expanse of the sky. Bathed in the gentle light, they dream of a kingdom beyond the clouds. As dawn breaks, the meadow awakens, bathed in a golden light that sets the dew-kissed grass ablaze. With newfound wings, they exchange excited glances, a silent pact forged in mutual understanding. Adventure sparks in their eyes, ready to explore uncharted territories. Their hearts beat in unison, prepared to face challenges with unwavering teamwork. The world awaits, teeming with endless possibilities and untold stories. Together, they embrace the unknown, their spirits soaring higher than ever before. High above, Noah and Isabella navigate the dense forest canopy, sunlight painting patterns on their faces. The forest floor teems with life, a symphony of nature's sounds filling the air around them. They are a dynamic duo, their combined skills a beacon of hope for the creatures of the woods. Eyes sharp, they scan the landscape, attuned to any sign of distress. On a mission, they embody hope for the creatures of the woods. Their journey through the verdant maze unfolds, a testament to their combined strength and purpose. The winged figures descend upon the village, their arrival stirring awe among the villagers. With powerful wings, they lift heavy objects, accomplishing feats the villagers cannot. Damaged roofs are swiftly repaired, their wings a symbol of hope and restoration. Smiles illuminate the faces of the villagers, witnessing the winged figure's selfless aid. High above, Noah and Isabella ascend through the clear mountain air, their gazes set firmly on the distant peak. They pause, suspended in the sky, and the world spreads out beneath them in a breathtaking panorama. A shared smile blossoms between them, mirroring the radiant sunlight as they take in the view. The panoramic vista fills their eyes, pride evident on both of their faces. Beneath the radiant sun, laughter dances on the sea breeze as they arrive on the golden beach, ready to embrace the day. The beach transforms into a playground of joy as they frolic in the sand, their carefree laughter echoing across the shore. Splashes of delight fill the air as they plunge into the water, their playful spirits untamed by the vastness of the sea. Lost in the simple pleasures, they revel in the purity of their happiness, their hearts as boundless as the ocean before them. As sunset descends upon the meadow, the sky erupts in a symphony of orange, purple, and gold. Noah and Isabella, bathed in the fading light, return to the meadow, their faces radiant with joy. The journey to the Cloud Kingdom lingers in their eyes, hinting at transformations yet to be understood. A profound sense of gratitude washes over them as they walk together. Under a vast, starlit sky, Noah and Isabella stand together in a meadow, the cool night air filled with the scent of wildflowers. Bathed in soft starlight, they exchange a look of deep understanding and shared dreams. Noah's voice carries softly through the night as he vows, "We promise to always use our talents for good." Isabella responds, her voice filled with determination, and to continue exploring the world together, one adventure at a time. They stand together, united by shared purpose, beneath the silent, watchful stars.